Hey dolls and gents, how is everyone doing today? Today I am doing a video on how I cut the lace off of my lace frontals. I show you how I do it on my head, and I also showed you how I define this deep wave hair that I received from Pudding Hair. So I will leave all the links down below that I'm rocking because I honestly cannot remember, but I will leave that in the description box down below for you guys. Y'all know I live for curly hair. Like deep wave curly hair is my favorite. Even in the winter time, I love curly hair. I just make sure I wash the hair ahead of time, put it in my shower so that it's nice and dry by the time that I wear it, because you do not want to go outside with wet hair. You will get sick by doing that, so don't do it. So I did not glue this wig down at all. I have it on with an elastic band. That's my preferred method of applying my wigs. I also do use the Got2b gel sometimes, but I really haven't been using it lately. I was using tape for like my lace closure wigs, but that is only if I'm too lazy to add an elastic band to the wig and I just want to apply it like right here and I'm doing like a middle part. Anyways, the curl pattern of this hair is super gorgeous. The hair is pretty much all dry from the tutorial, but as you can see, it stayed in this nice like wet and wavy look because I did apply a leave-in conditioner as well as a foaming wrap lotion. Both are from Design Essentials. Both smell freaking amazing. So just make sure that you deep condition the hair really well. Get you a spray bottle with water mixed with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Again, this is the one that I've been loving lately. It's the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. And this foaming wrap lotion is the bomb. Highly recommend this. You can lay your baby hairs with this and you can use it on your curly hair. As well as like doing wraps, but I don't ever do wraps, so I don't use it for that. So I don't want to talk too long. If you want to see how I cut the lace off of my lace frontals as well as define my curly deep wave hair, then definitely stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road. I'm headed home, where that at? I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah. Hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real.
So as you can see, I like to keep it really simple when it comes to my deep wave and curly hair. I just define the curls and I define a nice part and I keep it pushing, but I mostly do a middle part with my curly hair. Sometimes I'll do like the flip over, but that is only if the hair is already dry. I will do the flip over with it. Y'all already know that deep wave and curly hair is high maintenance. So this hair does have shedding and it does have tangling, which is natural with more deep wave and curly textures. I would say that the luster of this hair is low to medium. If you prefer the way that the hair looked before I defined the curls, then be sure to just wash the hair. Don't apply any product, let it air dry, and you will get those nice big fluffy curls. But if you want your curls more defined, then just do what I did in this tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and I will be sure to catch you all in my next one. Bye.